उड़ू ऊंचा।
Look at these pictures. Crab, bulb, cube, web. Do you hear the B sound at the end of these words? Let's listen to these words again. Crab, crab. Crabs are sea animals and have 5 pairs of legs and claws. Bulb, bulb. A bulb brightens a dark room. Cube, cube. This is a cube. Web, web. The spider makes a web. Crab, bulb, cube, web.
Like, share and subscribe.